Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm gonna walk you through how to keep a layer in your photos or videos in PicsArt on your device. So to know more about this, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get into the video. So as we know that PicsArt is used for like editing and video editing, photo editing skills. So it also enhances the AI editing effects like AI effect on your photos or videos in PicsArt. So to keep a layer or layouts in your photos or videos in the app PicsArt, you need to first go to your app PicsArt, and this is the very first homepage of this app. So I would like to select my photo from this recent project. So if now here I have already edited the text over here, now I can also drag it wherever I want to keep this text. So from all of these options below, we need to select the option like layouts, and after that here you can see the layouts. There are many different layouts, like whatever you want to select layouts, whichever layouts you want, like girl power, these various layouts available in this. And there are also the colors, whichever colors you want to select, anything you want to select. And you can also select the background and many more. And you can also resize or rotate, or you just need to tap the layer and use the pinch or rotate gestures. You can also adjust layer specific settings, for example change the capacity, opacity, add effects, or change the color of text, layers. And you can also delete a layer. If you no longer need a layer, select it and tap the trash can icon. Like if you can simply select it, and you can just, here you can see the option like trash icon. Like if I select this icon, your text will be deleted. So you can delete also very easily. You can also use the AI editing on layers, such as like you can apply AI powered effects to specific layers. For instance, if you edit an image and you want to use the AI to change its background, select the image layer and then apply the AI background remover tool. And after completing all, and once you are finished editing your layers and are happy with the composition, tap next to save your image and set it on social media. So that's how you can just use this layer or layout effects on PicsArt. And to make video or to use layouts in video, it also have the same steps to follow. So that's how you can do it. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.